If Earth started sneezing, what would happen? Firstly, if Earth started sneezing, many wild animals may get thrown away. Secondly, if Earth started sneezing, the Moon may start running away from Earth's snot. Lastly, if Earth started sneezing, cracks may start appearing on Earth's skyscrapers. If Earth turned into a tornado, what would happen? Firstly, if Earth turned into a tornado, houses on planet Earth may keep on breaking apart. Secondly, if Earth turned into a tornado, even the black hole may not dare to touch planet Earth. Lastly, if Earth turned into a tornado, Earth may be left all alone. Why will Saturn float on water? Saturn would float on water because it's made mostly of gases, such as hydrogen and helium, which are much less dense than water. Saturn's overall density is around 0.687 grams per cubic centimeter, whereas water's density is about 1 gram per cubic centimeter. If one could hypothetically place Saturn in a giant pool of water, its low density would cause it to float rather than sink. This is a result of the principle of buoyancy. Why is Jupiter's Great Red Spot shrinking? The Great Red Spot was once large enough to fit 3 Earths inside. But it's now only the width of 1 Earth. A study showed that smaller storms strengthened the Great Red Spot, causing it to grow. Now the number of smaller storms are getting fewer and fewer on Jupiter. Hence, the Great Red Spot is not getting enough smaller storms to feed on and grow. As a result, it is shrinking. Why is Venus called the morning star or evening star? When seen from Earth, Venus is the 3rd brightest natural object in the sky after the Sun and the Moon. Ancient civilizations noticed that Venus was a regular feature either just before dawn or just after dusk. Because of its striking visibility during these times, they associated it with the idea of a star heralding the arrival of the sun or accompanying its departure. Although Venus is a planet, its behavior and brightness earned it the nickname of a morning star or evening star in many cultures. Why is Venus considered as Earth's twin? Venus is called as Earth's twin because of the following reasons. Firstly, Venus is almost the same size as Earth. Secondly, Venus and Earth have about the same mass. That is, they weigh about the same. Thirdly, Venus and Earth have a very similar composition. That is, they are made up of similar materials. Lastly, during the formation of the solar system, Venus and Earth formed close to each other and are now neighboring planets. Why is Mars's atmosphere so thin? The first reason is Mars's low gravity. As a result, Mars is not able to retain gases. They easily escape into space. The second reason is the lack of a strong magnetic field. This leaves Mars's atmosphere vulnerable to the solar wind. The solar wind is a constant stream of charged particles from the Sun that gradually remove Mars's atmospheric gases into space. Why is Saturn losing its rings? Saturn is losing its rings because the planet's gravity is pulling the ring particles, primarily made of ice, towards its surface. This phenomenon is described as a ring rain, wherein ice particles from the rings fall onto Saturn's atmosphere. While the process is ongoing, it is happening slowly, with scientists estimating it could take hundreds of millions of years for the rings to completely disappear.
อืม